Hi, this is Gyuri. In this video, I'm going to speak about how to use panelize in MC. This feature allows you to generate a list of files that you can feed into the current panel. To show this, I have created a Git repository and I will modify the A text file and D in the subdirectory. By typing the git status command, we can see the list of the modified files and other information as well. But for now, the file list would be enough for us. We could get it by using this command. So we have a command which produces a list of files. Copy it to the clipboard. The shortcut of panelize is in the MC key map file. It is external because we are using an external command. Let's use it. Paste the command that we used and save it as modified git files. After this, we could use it. The modified files are easily accessible in this way. When the config files are saved, we could find our new panelize command in the ini file. That's all for now. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.